Hello, my name is Elina and originally I'm Russian. During this video, I would like to speak about my education and my working experience. I'm going to start with my education. When I was 15 years old, I went to study in Switzerland, and in 2005 I got high school diploma from Leiden American School. Later same year, I went to Glion Institute of Higher Education and graduated in December 2008 with Bachelor Business Administration in Hospitality. During my Glion experience, I did two of my internships. My first internship was done in a historic and famous restaurant called Brasserie Bavaria, which is located in the center of Lausanne. During this internship, I was bartender and waitress. My second internship was in Grand Hyatt Beijing. I was assistant director of sales. My responsibilities included assisting director of sales with administrative work, doing telemarketing, sales calls, and site inspections. I also took care of Russian guests and was building relationship with corporate Russian clients. During my experience, I have learned a lot. I have learned that to have a dedication to your job, to be ethical, and to be responsible is very important. I have also learned that the knowledge how to turn negative into positive is very important, because there is always a way to make things going right. There is always a way. So thank you very much for listening to me and for your time, and be sure that I will give the best of me to fulfill your requirements with my professional background and my knowledge.